piece of intelligent engineering revolutionizing the industry. Vacuum suction paper feeding and patented V-shaped duplex flipping. Precise double-sided alignment, ultrasonic double sheet detection and dynamic positioning correction. Eliminates misfeeds and guarantees consistent paper trajectory. Self-developed core control systems, ink supply control, printhead drive, motion coordination, collectively safeguarding high-speed, high-quality printing. Speed, 100 A3 color pages per minute. Paper compatibility, 60, 300G media, max sheet size, 330 x 1200 mm. Durability, monthly capacity of 3 million impressions, total lifespan of 200 million impressions. 1200 dpi high-precision industrial piezoelectric print heads, proprietary pigment inks, and precise color management. IR intelligent modular 3-section design. Easy integration into ideal for textbooks, carbonless forms, manuals, government/office documents, and more. One-touch automatic maintenance. Ultra low cost per page.